Okay, good evening. Let's continue no, sa past board exam for RAE. Okay, so example number 2, charging current. The charging current to a capacitor is given by the equation I of t equals 3t plus 2 ampere. Find the total charge stored when t equals 2 seconds. Assume no initial charge. Assume no initial charge. Okay, right? So, analyze natin muna ang given instructions sa first sentence. Ang sabi dito class, the charging current to a capacitor is given by the equation I of t. I of t, diba, equals 3t plus 2 ampere. Okay? Now, ano ibig sabihin I of t? No? This is not class I times t. This is I of t, meaning ang value ng current I natin nakadepende sa t. Value ng t in seconds. Follow? So this is not I times t. This is I as a function of t or I of t. No? So in other words, ang value ng I natin, current I natin nakadepende sa t. And of course, the unit is ampere. Right? So again, the charging current to a capacitor is given by the equation I of t equals 3t plus 2 ampere. Now again class, balitan ko lang. Ang ampere class is actually, ano ba yung ampere? Di ba yung ampere is coulomb per seconds, no? This is actually rate, no? Coulomb is the charge. Ang ibig sabihin ng coulomb charge, then of course ang seconds is time. But actually, ito siya, no? Ito siya. Ang coulomb is charge Q, then ang seconds is T. So that is actually rate, no? So pag rate class, dapat hindi lang siya Q over T. It should be dQ over dt. So ito class yung working, ano natin, no? That is actually current I. So, dQ over dt. Right? So meaning, our I is actually dQ over dt. So yan, no? Okay, ito, no? Our I is actually dQ over dt. Our Q is charge, then our T is time, no? Then 3t plus 2 ampere. Okay? So ano ba yung required? Ang required class is we have to find the total charge. Now, find the total charge Q. Yes. Alam niyo kasi ko. Find the total charge Q. Mga ka na doon. Thank you, Don. Find the total charge Q. Total charge Q. So he is asking class for the total charge. So pag total charge class, no, he's asking for the total charge, no? So he is asking actually for Q, not dQ. Di ba, no? So he's asking for Q. So ito yung working equation natin, no? dQ over dt equals 3t plus 2. But he is asking only for Q, not for dQ. So anong gawin natin sa dQ class? Anong gagawin natin sa dQ? We have to integrate, no? That is actually the derivative, and dQ over dt class, that is actually the derivative of Q with respect to t. So to solve for the total charge Q, we have to remove t. So anong gawin natin sa d? We have to integrate, no? The antidot of differential is integral, so we have to integrate. Right? So yun ang strategy natin. Okay, so alam natin kung ano ang ipapahanap sa atin. Ang gusto nga is we have to solve for the total charge Q. Right? So given ang working equation ng current, which is dQ over dt is equals to 3t plus 2. So again, no? We are solving class for Q. So anong gawin natin dito? We have to separate variables. No? Ito. This is actually differential calculus. Differential equation. No? Separate first the variables, then solve for Q. So, lahat ng Q dito, lahat ng T or dt dito sa banda siya. Okay? So, transpose. Gawin natin, multiply both side of course by dt. So, cancel out ang dt. Ang naiwan na lang dito ay alin? Ay dq equals the quantity of 3t plus 2 dt. Right? So, then we are solving class for Q, we are solving for Q, so we have to remove D. Paano ma-remove ang D? Integrate both sides. Palitan ko gawin kong black. Integrate, of course, both sides. So, the integral of dq is Q equals, bakit na Q plus? How about this one? Integrate natin muna. How about integral of the quantity of 3t plus 2 dt? We have to distribute, no? 3t dt and plus the integral of 2 dt. Step by step tayo, no? Okay, so ito na yung charge Q, no? Charge Q is equals to the integral of 3t dt is actually 3t squared over 2 plus 2t over 1 plus the constant C. So, ito ang general, general ba yun? Equation ng Q. Meron pa siyang C. So, we have to remove C. Okay, so, our Q is equals to 3t squared over 2 plus 2t plus C. Okay, particular solution. Okay, that is actually general solution. And then, go back sa tanong, no? Find the total charge. So, ito na class ang total charge natin. Di ba? Our total charge Q is equals to, ano yun? 3t squared over 2. Di ba? 3t squared over 2 plus 2t plus C. So, solve natin muna ang C. How will you solve for the value of C? Okay, so sabi dito, find the total charge stored when t equals 2 seconds. Assume no initial charge. So may sinabi dito class, assume no initial charge. So meaning, no initial charge, your t is 0 and then your Q is also 0. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng no initial charge. Our T is equals to 0 and of course our Q equals to 0. So we can solve for the value of C. Okay? So substitute lang natin. Our Q is 0, then our T is also 0. Sorry. Then square over 2 plus 2 times 0 plus C. Then of course, therefore, sorry, your C, our C is equals to 0. So the equation for the total charge Q is equals to 3t square over 2 plus 2t plus 0. Plus 0. We have to remove 0. Ayan. So, ito plus ang equation ng total charge Q. Q is equals to 3t square over 2 plus 2t. Alright? So, he is asking for find the total charge stored when t equals 2 seconds. So, substitute lang natin, no? When t equals 2 seconds, so your Q is equals to 3, then 2 square over 2 plus 2 times 2. Then of course, your Q is equals to, picture natin muna, and then 88. Alright? So, calculator, fraction, and then 3 times 2 square, times 2 square over 2, and then plus, of course, 2 times 2 is 4, no? Equals 10. So, the total charge when t equals 2 seconds is 10 coulomb. Right? So, any questions? No? Yeah. Just leave the comments kung mayroong question. So, our total charge when t equals 2 seconds is 10 coulomb. Okay, thank you for watching.